kind act in Ramadan. Today I woke up early and finished some work at home. Since it is the holy month of Ramadan, I left quickly to start my morning. Air was cool and the streets were peaceful. As I was driving my Mishuk, I saw a woman standing with her little daughters. They looked worried. I stopped and asked, "Madam, do you need a ride?" She nodded. "Yes, please, we are going to hospital. My daughter is not feeling well." I quickly helped, then get in and start driving fast but carefully. The little girl looked weak, and her mother was holding her hand tightly. "Don't worry, madam. We will reach soon," I said to comfort her. After a few minutes, we arrived at the hospital. The woman thanked me and tried to pay, but I refused. This is Ramadan. Helping someone is more important than money, I said with a smile. Tears filled her eyes. "May Allah bless you," she said. As I drove away, I felt pieces in my heart. Ramadan is not just about fasting. It is about kindness, patience, and helping others. Today I felt the true spirit of his holy month. Thanks for your watching this video.